to Science Hub. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of brainwaves and their role in helping our minds recover from distractions. Recent research has uncovered that swirling waves in the brain act as a kind of shepherd, guiding the cerebral cortex back onto the right computational path after being sidetracked. Led by Tamal Batabayal, a postdoctoral researcher at the Picower Institute, this study was published in the Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience. The experiments involved animals performing a visual working memory task, while occasionally being subjected to two types of distractions. As expected, these distractions disrupted performance, leading to errors or slower responses when the animals needed to react. To understand how neural activity changed over time and under different conditions, whether distracted or focused, the team employed a mathematical technique known as subspace encoding. This method allows scientists to visualize how groups of neurons coordinate their activity, revealing organizational patterns. Remarkably, after each distraction, researchers observed a circular pattern within the subspace, as if a flock of birds was returning to formation after being scattered. This circular motion represented the brain's recovery of its coordinated state following an interruption. The degree of this rotational pattern was indicative of the task performance. When a distraction did not lead to an error, the neural activity completed a full circle, signaling complete recovery. However, when performance was affected, the circle remained incomplete, moving more slowly and reflecting the brain's struggle to fully regain focus. Interestingly, the study showed that recovery improved with more time between the distraction and the required response, suggesting that the brain needs this period to complete its cycle in the mathematical space, refocusing both neurologically and behaviorally. While subspace encoding is an abstract mathematical representation of neural activity over time, researchers found that actual physical measurements of brain activity mirrored a real wave circulating through the cortex. Multiple measurements revealed that the neuronal activity had a spatial arrangement with continually changing angles, consistent with a wave of activity sweeping through the cortex. Miller, one of the researchers, emphasized that although there is no inherent reason for the rotation in this mathematical space to directly correlate with rotation on the cortical surface, this is indeed what happens. This finding suggests that the brain uses these swirling waves for analog computations, which are more energy efficient than digital computations, making them biologically preferable. This study highlights how these rotating brainwaves play a crucial role in restoring focus after a distraction, hinting at the presence of natural computational mechanisms in the brain that operate with high efficiency. The alignment between mathematical encoding and actual brain activity suggests that these cycles may be a fundamental part of how the brain processes information in a natural and energy-saving manner. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content.